Hello there, I'm Chef Johnny, and this is Texas Style Barbecue and Cuisine. Appreciate you stopping by. Today, got some new products I'm going to show you. We're going to be making up some fantastic crispy chicken wings on the Weber kettle, and we're going to be using some ham grenade from warpigbarbecue.com, and also they sent me some of their FUBAR Elite barbecue sauce. Now, I have not tried this sauce before, but I took a little sample of it a while ago. This is the one that has the flamethrower habanero wash in it, and it's got a little kick to it, not overpowering, but it's got the spice. So we're going to make some nice spicy wings with these. So get right back over here and let's see how we make them up. Got a nice bowl of chicken wings here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to inject these wings. I got some fantastic butter and jalapeno injection from Tony Chichet's. So let me show you how we get these injected. This, not a real hard process, and I'm just not gonna pack them full, but I'm gonna take my injection, and this one has a hole on both sides. Some of them will have a hole in the end. This one has it on both sides. I'm just gonna put it in there, and I'm gonna shoot just a little bit up inside there of that wing, give it a little moisture, give it a little bit of richness from that butter, and of course, just a little bit of heat from the jalapeno. So let me get these flats injected up, and then we'll get right back with you. I'm going to take my ham grenade, and I've been trying this on everything. We got a bottle at the San Antonio stock show cook-off this year, and it was just so good. We enjoyed it so much. Got to talking with Dennis Butterworth, owner of this, and they sent us out some more along with some of their sauces to demo and try out. And I tell you what, I'm just really happy. We've cooked up some ribs, and I've done pork belly with this, and I've done a bunch of ribs. We got 2 first place finishes with ribs using ham grenade. That's a couple of cook-offs, but it's really good. Tried on some pork chops. We love that. So tonight, I thought we'd see how it'd go with wings using their hot sauce. So got a nice even coating on here. And I tell you what, when I cook my chicken, my ribs, I do not like a real coarse seasonings. I like it a little bit finer. I think it's a little prettier presentation, and this one is not real big and real coarse. I do like that about it. It gives you a nice, even, very, very pretty coat on top of these. But these are gonna be ready to go. Got my Weber kettle. It's cranked up to about 350, 375 degrees last time I checked. So it's pretty warm. They're gonna get on there and they're gonna cook pretty fast. And we're gonna try to crisp up this skin the best we can. That's why I have that temperature up hot in this pit. Let's get another coating on here. And again, it makes a beautiful, beautiful smooth coating. And it's got a great little sweetness to it. So I think it's gonna work great with the sweetness of this and the sweet and the heat from the habanero wash, this FUBAR flamethrower we're gonna put on it right at the very end. So let me get these on the pit. I'll show you how we do that, and we'll get these cooked up. Weber's good and hot. Get the lid off. We're gonna get these wings on there. Oh, you can hear the sizzle. You know this is good and hot. And we will rotate these since I have my slow and sear in here. This is gonna be the hottest part here, but we're gonna put them on this way, and we'll move these back in a minute and the other ones forward. There we go. Lid's back on. And remember, heat's here, exhaust is here. Heat and smoke's got to flow across our chicken. That's going to baste it fantastic with that sweet mesquite smoke while it's cooking. And we're going to go about 30 minutes, and we'll check the temps on these. We're going to take them up to 165 degrees. It's been about a half hour. We're going to pull these off. I want to check some temperatures real quick. See how hot these are. Check them one in the middle. 151, one up in the front edge, 157. So they're just about where we want. We're going to turn these, and I'm going to rotate them a little bit, let them cook on that other side, and get these ready to come off. flip, get the lid back on them, take them up to that close to 165, then we'll pull them off and sauce them. Let's get these off. They're sitting at that 165 degree mark. They've got some beautiful color on them. We're gonna get these off real quick, and we're gonna sauce them up with some of that habanero wash, the foo bar from War Pig Barbecue. And we're gonna see if we can get us some nice, spicy hot wings for today. Got our wings in a bowl. I'm gonna take some of my foo bar, and that's for use on butts and ribs. I am liking this, but not too thick. I'd say medium on the thickness, but we're gonna coat these ribs with them real good. And get these back on that pit, set this sauce, and these are gonna be some nice spicy wings, I promise you. So, I don't know if this bowl's big enough for me to flip them. Might be. Oh yeah, I can flip them with this. That's got a pretty color to it. Wings are gonna go back on. Whoo, you can tell that was hot. Got some of that sauce up close to that slow and sear. Kind of fell off in where the water would be. I did not put any water in it tonight. Put these on here real quick. And again, maybe 10 minutes, just long enough for this sauce to set. They're 165 degrees, so they are cooked all the way through. There we go. Get them covered back up. About 10 minutes, we'll get them off, give them a try. These wings look like they are done. Sauce is set. We're gonna get them off, get them on our tray, let them cool off just a little bit, and then we are gonna give them a try. I tell you what, these wings are off. They're looking beautiful. Skin's cooked nice through. We had that Weber kettle cranked up, and it was putting out some good heat. I tried my new thermometer, gave it a try. I don't know if you saw that in the video or not, but it's a VAT IV. Worked really good. Check that out down in my Amazon store if you're interested in a new thermometer. But I tell you what, I like it. Under 30 bucks, not a bad deal. 2 temperatures. But these wings came out good. I'm just hoping that they are cool enough to try now. That was still pretty hot, but we're gonna take it a try. I like this. Mesquite smoke, ham grenade, the foo bar, jalapeno wash. Got just enough heat. Got some moisture inside that bird where we injected it with the butter and jalapeno. So it's good, but we need some more opinions, so I'm gonna bring John and Luke in here. They've been helping me film all night. They're ready to try some wings, so let's see what they think about them. Come on, guys. All 3 of us gonna be able to fit in here now. What do you think, guys? It's really good, ain't it? Not too hot, just enough heat to make it interesting. Be one of those. Beards and wings, sticky wings. That was a great combination, right, Luke? What do you think, buddy? I tell you what, there you go. The youngins say they're good. I call them, still call them kids. These are both men these days. Appreciate them helping me record tonight, get this done, get everything cooked. They're ready to eat the wings, so we're gonna say goodbye to y'all, but I hope you'll give War Pig Barbecue, go over to their website. I'll put a link down below. Give them a try. Check out the ham grenade. I'm going to put a link down there for my rib videos, which I've won 2 first place with ham grenade on those. But check that out. Remember to subscribe our channel. Share us with your friends and family. And we're going to see y'all down the road on Texas-style barbecue and cuisine.
How them boys put food away beats all I've ever seen.